Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to fix your Tesla glove box is not opening. Now, the easiest thing you can actually do is a system reboot. So this is how you do it, okay? First, make sure you shift into park, and then you just hold down both the scroll buttons on the steering wheel until your Tesla's touchscreen turns black, okay? Then I want you to wait approximately 30 seconds for the touchscreen to restart. And if the touchscreen is still unresponsive or still demonstrating unusual behavior after a few minutes, you need to power cycle the vehicle. And after that, what you can do is just go to controls on your touchscreen, go to glove box, and the glove box should automatically open and the light should turn on. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.